Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are making chin chin with banana. We call it banana chin chin, and this recipe was inspired by Life with Rosie. She's an awesome chef. I hope you check her out after watching mine. So we are making this with these two ripe bananas and the all-purpose flour. 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar. You can use less or more. And I'll be adding it some milk powder, that's powdered milk, baking powder, nutmeg, salt. We'll also be adding some margarine, banana flavor, and we'll be using some water. I'll leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Do check it out if you would want to try this recipe. Let's continue. And now I will start by mixing the dry ingredients together with the flour. I'll start by adding the sugar, the baking powder, the nutmeg, salt, and the milk. You can use liquid milk if you prefer. But when you use that, then you mind the quantity of the water you will use. I'll mix everything together. I'll then add the margarine and mix with my hands. I'll now set this aside. We will mash the banana. I'll add the banana flavor and mash. The smell of the banana flavor is so beautiful. Bring back the mixed flour. And add. Also add water gradually first. We'll bring everything together. I'll cover and allow it to rest for about 10 to 20 minutes. This is 20 minutes later. Our dough has rested enough, so it is now time to roll it out for cutting. I'll sprinkle some flour on the board. Then bring out our dough and divide it into 3. Roll it out one after the other and cut it into the desired shapes we want. You can cut it any style you want. If you have people around, you can always cut the dough out one by one like this and call them to help. It's always fun for children to help out. Now we are done with the cutting. It is time for frying. The oil is already heating up on the fire, and once it gets hot, we start adding the chin there. I check it when if it is hot with that stick. If it bubbles, you know that the oil is hot. You can also throw in 1 or 2 chin and then if it bubbles also, you know that it is set for frying. And then we'll start frying. But don't overcrowd your pan, and then stir at intervals so that it doesn't get burnt. When you stir it, it separates from each other. And we will continue to stir and fry it in a medium heat until it gets this golden color. And when we get this golden color, it is time to take it out from the oil. And here we have our delicious, yummy, sweet banana chin. Yeah, it's so delicious. When it cools, I just store it in an airtight container and it can last for months there. That is, if you don't finish it in few days. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also to share the video. And if you are new here, you are highly welcomed. Please consider subscribing. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.